install Kali Linux on VMware in Windows 10. So it's very easy to install Kali Linux, friends. First we have to download Kali Linux. So friends, you can see this is Kali Linux official websites. Now you can see we have to click here get Kali. Okay, now we have to click here installer image, click here. Okay, now so you can see either we can install here 64-bit or 32-bit. So we have to select here 64-bit for Windows, and for Apple we have to download this. Okay, select here 64-bit. Now click here to download it. Okay, now it's downloading here. You can see after download it will start installation. So friends, you can see it's downloaded here. Okay, so you can see it's downloaded. So now we have to go to VMware. Now go to VMware. Now friends, on VMware we have to click here create new virtual machine. Now here we have to select typical. Now click on next. Now select here. Now browse. Now go to download here. Now select here Kali Linux 2022.3. Okay, now select it. Now click on open. Now click on next. Now click on next, select Linux and click on next. Type here Kali Linux 2022.3. Now click on next here. Select hard disk size 100 GB. Now click on next. Now customize hardware. You can see it's 4 GB, 2 GB, 2 processor. Now select here VMware. Now click on close. Now click on finish here. Now friends, you can see virtual machine created. Now we have to click on power on this virtual machine to install it. Click here. Now you can see graphic install. Now just press enter here, graphic install. Now select language and click on continue. Now United States and click on continue. Keyboards here American English, click on continue. Now it's detecting hardware. Okay, so keep patience here. Now host name will be Kali. Now click on continue. Domain name, I don't have any domain name. Click on continue. Now we have to provide username here, tech coach tech, and click on continue to set up username and password. Okay, now click on continue. Now we have to enter here password. Now click on continue. Configure the clock Pacific. Now click on continue. Now it's detect disk. Now select use entire disk, click on continue. Now again click on continue here. Now we have to select all file in one partition, recommended for new user. Click on continue. Now friends, you can see primary and logical partition is created here. Now we have to select finish partition and write change to disk. Now click on continue. Now we have to select here yes, write change to disk. Okay, now click on continue. Now installation is started here. Now friends, it's installing the base system. Installation is started here. Now friends, you can select software here to install it. Software like Genome, we have to install Genome here. Okay, select Genome. Now click on next. KDE we can select here. Now click on continue. Now friends, it's installing selected software. Now friends, you can see finish the installation completed. Please choose. Now we have to continue to reboot it. Click here to continue. Now it will reboot. Okay, after installation. After reboot, we will get Kali Linux desktop. Okay. So now it's booting. So friends, now you can see is prompt for part. Now we have to provide password here to log in. Now friends, you can see we have successfully installed Kali Linux on VMware. So you can see here we have that feature here, terminal, login here. And so friends, in this video you have seen how to install Kali Linux on VMware. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.